Good morning. Well, here we are in Portland, Oregon on a rainy October day, heading into Sellwood Park to go mushroom hunting. Yeah, let's go this way. What'd you see, Emmy? Yeah. What is this?
A frog! Mushroom.
Oh, cool. Oh, look at those guys.
This is the best place for mushrooms to live. Frogs could be in here.
What do you see, Jake?
And those mushrooms?
Yeah, little tiny mushrooms.
Well, it's very tiny, so banana frog might live.
A banana slug?
Ah!
What do you see?
Ah!
Oh my.
Ah!
Look at that. What
Ah! Looks like a
And then
spider.
look at this.
Ah!
That is another big slug. And then over here, some little mushrooms hiding in the grass, and another slug.
Hi.
Just a couple more mushrooms. Well, thanks for joining us. We didn't see a whole lot of mushrooms today, but that's how it goes. We did get to see some other cool creatures, and we had a good time in the rain. Thanks for joining.
Red beetle!
We saw a red beetle.
A red beetle!
See you next time.